Hello, Chef here. So in this video I'm going to be exploring something that uh, helps your eyes, helps your blood, and it's an antioxidant, helps improve your system. I got these for free. Do you know what these are? Well, they look like little apricots, but they're not. They come from this tree right here. Drop a comment if you know about this stuff. Very, very powerful. By the way, this tree is thought to be prehistoric. It's been around forever. So what are we talking about? Well, of course, we're talking about the ginkgo. So this is the fruit from the female ginkgo tree. And I was walking along, and wow, there they were on the ground. And these are expensive, hard to get. They're fresh. They're not dry. They're not from some foreign country. You don't know what people are touching it or what they're doing to it. These are fresh ginkgo. So I've got gloves on because this fruit is stinky. There we go. That's what I'm after right there. That is the ginkgo seed right there. I'm going to do a few things with these. I might save a few to grow. However, the important thing here is it improves eyes and has many other health benefits. So follow along as we explore more about the ginkgo. And by the way, there's some other interesting stuff here. The outside part is soft, sticky, and stinky, and it is called the sarcotessa. The inside part is firm like a nut, and there's a seed in there, often known as Ginkgo biloba. So the seed is called the sarcotessa. Excuse me. The seed is inside the hard part, and it's the sclerotessa. So it gets quite technical, but most importantly for me, improves eyesight, and it's good for your health. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Subscribe right here, learn some more. Okay, and here are the ginkgo seeds after I peeled off the stinky fruit, and each of these seeds now has been washed. Once you crack them open, you end up with this inside, almost like a fresh pea. I'll be consuming this. Tastes like a bitter pea. Very good for memory, very good for eyesight, very good for blood issues, very good for overall health, and search the net. You're going to find a lot more information. However, subscribe right here and learn many more valuable tips, ideas, recipes from the chefs, and improve your health. We can help you live longer. Wow. It's going to be good. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a beautiful day. Fresh Ginkgo biloba. Wow, that's good. All things Butcher Block. They've got them there. That's where we get them. Yeah, they give you free shipping, no tax, as well as discounts. Share this video with someone who might be interested in natural healing. And wow, I'm hoping this helps my vision and improves my memory. Just a few of the things the ginkgo tree has to offer. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh chopped oregano. Yeah. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah. How's that look? Drop a comment. And as usual, yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. Excellence in every bite. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pair. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.